Good morning. The topic discussing now is planned introduction and various procedures required for planned introduction. It consists of taking a genotype or a group of genotypes of plants into a new environments where they were not being grown before. So, the introduction of plants involve new varieties of crop already grown in the area. First up, the materials are introduced from other countries or continents. Next sentence, the introduction may be classified into two categories. First up, they are primary and secondary introduction. Then one, primary introduction. When the introduced variety become well suited to the new environments, comma, it is released for commercial cultivation. First up, next sentence. The primary introduction is less common in countries having well improved programs of cultivation of croplands are organized. First up. Then 2. Secondary introduction. It is subjected to selection to isolate a superior variety. First up, it may be hybridized with local varieties to transfer one or few characters of local varieties. Next sentence, the secondary introduction is more common than primary introduction. First up, next heading, procedure of plant introduction. It is an oldest and very effective methods of plant breeding. First up, the main function of plant introduction is to make available variations to be utilized in breeding programs. First up, next paragraph. It consists of various steps, comma, 1. Procurement, P-R-O-C-U-R-E-M-E-N-T. Then 2. Quarantine, Q-U-A-R-A-N-T-I-N-E. 3. Cataloging, C-A-T-A-L-O-G-U-I-N-G. 4. Evaluation, E-V-A-L-U-A-T-I-O-N. And 5. Multiplication and distribution. First up, next subheading 1. Procurement of germplasm. The scientists of the country must submit their requirements to National Board of Plant Genetic Resources in brackets NBPGR. NBPGR. Close the bracket, full stop. Next sentence. If the Bureau, BUREAU, is not able to meet MWT, the requests from the known sources of the country, comma, attempt, ATTEMPTS, attempts are to be made from other counterparts, COUNTER, counterparts in other countries, comma, botanic gardens or from other agencies. First stop. Next sentence. The plant part to be introduced depends upon the crop species. First stop. It may be seeds, runners, RUNNERS, comma, suckers, SUCKERS, comma, stolons, STOLONS, comma, cuttings or sometimes seedlings, etc. First up, the plant part used for propagation is known as propagule, PROPAGULE. First up, the propagules are easy for transportation and it requires special packing techniques. First up, the specially packed propagules are transported by ships, 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 or by air, AIR. First up, these materials are personally collected by the representative of the Bureau, BUREAU, comma, immediately after arrival. Okay, then second, 2. Quarantine, QUARANTINE. It is the special means to keep the materials in isolation to prevent spreading of diseases. First up, the introduced materials are to be strictly inspected for contamination with weeds, WWDS, comma, diseases and insect pests, PSTS. First up, the suspected materials for contamination are fumigated or give other treatments. First up, so the quarantine prescribed certain rules called quarantine rules. First up, the materials which are being introduced must be covered by COVID, covered by an authentic phytosanitary, phytosanitary, phytosanitary certificate from the source country. First up, that is, they must be declared free from diseases, weeds and insect pests. Full stop. Then 3. Cataloging, CATALOGUING. When the introducing material is received, it is to be given an entry number and the informations regarding the name of the species, variety, place of origin, adaptations, etc. are to be noted and must be kept in a catalog. First up. Then 4. Evaluation, EVALUATION. The introduced materials are evaluated and maintained by institutions like Central Research Institute. Full stop. Next para. The suitability of the introduced variety is to be analyzed by acclimatization, ACCLIMATISATION. First, the process leads to the adaptation of the variety to the new environment for faster multiplication and better yield. Full stop. Next paragraph. The acclimatization is determined by 1. The mode of pollination, 2. The range of genetic variability, 3. Duration of life cycle. First up, next one. 5. Multiplication and distribution. The introduced forms are increased in number by providing protected environment. First up, the introduced forms are ascertained, ASCERTAINED, for suitability. First up, then proper supply is done for wide, WIDE, wide distribution. Okay, thank you.